Hi children, good afternoon. In the last class, I had explained about exercise 5.1 question number 1 I had explained. Now, I'm going to discuss question number 2 of exercise 5.1 of the chapter Arithmetic Progression. See the question. Question number 2. Write the first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. First question, A is equal to 10 and the common difference D is equal to 10. So we have A is equal to 10. So we can write the first term. The first term will be A, that is equal to 10, that is A1 is equal to 10. So A1 is equal to 10. And A2, the second term we can write like this, A1 plus the common difference. What is the common difference here? The common difference is 10. 10 plus 10 will be what? 20. So 10 plus 1 will be 20. Now let us do A3, third term. So the third term is equal to this 20 plus the common difference 10. That's equal to how much? That is equal to 30. Okay. Now A4, four terms we want to find. So A4 is equal to 30 plus 10 is equal to how much? Is equal to 40. So we can write the first four terms of the AP. That is, the first four terms are 10 comma 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. See, these are the first four terms of this AP. Okay children, so let us move to the second question. So this is the first question. Now let us do the second question. What is the second question? In second question, A is equal to minus 2, so we can write A1 is equal to minus 2. Now A2 is equal to, with this minus 2 you have to add the common difference. The common difference is 0. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. Now A3 will be this minus 2 plus, again you have to add the common difference 0, you will get minus 2. And A4 is equal to, again we have to add with A3 is equal to what? A3 is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 0 is equal to how much you will get? It's equal to minus 2. So the first four terms of the AP will be what? First four terms of the AP will be what? Negative 2 comma negative 2 comma negative 2 comma negative 2. Okay, so this will be the first four terms of this AP. Now let us move to question number 3. Okay children, so let us do the third question. In the third question, the first term is A. A is equal to how much? 4, and common difference D is equal to minus 3. So we can write the first term A1. So A1 is equal to, this is the third question. Question number 3 I am doing here. So A1 is equal to this 4 itself. Now we can find A2. So A2 is equal to, with this 4 you have to add the common difference minus 3. Negative 3 you have to add with this, then you will get 4 plus minus 3 will be what? Will be 1. So A2 is equal to 1 we got. Now we can find A3. A3 is equal to 1 plus, with this 1 we have to add the common difference negative 3. Negative 3 we have to add with this, you will get the answer 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is how much? Minus 2. Now we can find A4. A4 is equal to how much? Minus 2. A4 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. Minus 2 is the third term plus the common difference minus 3. We will get minus 3 minus 2 addition. What will be the sum of these two? It will be minus 5. So we got the AP, four terms of the AP as how much? AP is equal to, AP is, first term is 4 comma next term, second term is 1, next term is minus 2, next term is minus 5. First four terms of this AP. Now we can do question number 4. Question number 4 we can do now. In question number 4, first term is, that is A1 is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find A2. A2 is equal to this minus 1 plus, with this minus 1 you have to add 1 by 2. So by cross multiplying or by adding these two, we will get 2 into minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 will be, see here you will have cross multiplying, you will get minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So when you add minus 1 and 1 by 2, you will get minus 1 by 2. Now with this minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 divided by 2, you have to add the common difference again. You will get how much? You will get 0. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be 0. Now you can find A4, the fourth term, with 0. You have to add the common difference. What is the common difference? The common difference is 1 by 2. Then you will get the answer as 1 divided by 2. So what will be the AP? AP will be, the first term is negative 1 and second term is negative 1 by 2 and the third term is 0 and the fourth term is 1 by 2. So these are the first four terms of the AP. Now let us move to question number 5. What is question number 5? In question number 5 we have, question number 5 we have A is equal to minus 1.25. So we can write A1 is equal to minus 1.25. Now D is equal to minus 0.25. So we can find A2. A2 is equal to minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. See, you have to add these two. While adding these two, what you get? Minus minus, both are negative, so you have to add 1.25 plus 0.25 will be 1.5. So the answer will be minus 1.5. The answer will be minus 1.5. Negative 1.5 will be the answer. Okay, now let us do the third one, A3. A3 is equal to minus 1.5. This is the second term, plus again you have to add with this minus 0.25. 0.25 again you have to add with this one. So you will get minus, both are negative, so you can add these. 1.5 plus 1.25 will be what? Minus 1.75. Now we have to find the last fourth term, that is equal to minus 1.75 plus minus 0.25. 1.75, we know 1.75 plus 0.25 will be 2, so the answer will be minus 2. So we can write the AP. The first four terms of the AP are, first one is minus 1.25, comma, the second term is minus 1.5. The next term is minus 1.75 and the last term is minus 2. So these are the first four terms of this given AP. Okay, children. Okay, so now let us discuss question number 3 of exercise 5.1. Question number 3. For the following APs, following arithmetic progressions, write the first term and the common difference. We have to write the first term and the common difference. Write the first term and common difference. So here in the first question we know, the first term, that is A. A is equal to what? A is equal to 3. And what is the common difference? D. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. So that is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? 1 minus, what is A1? A1 is equal to 3. 1 minus 3. What is 1 minus 3? 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So we can say A is equal to, the first term is equal to 3, and the common difference D is equal to what? D is equal to minus 2. So A is equal to 3 and D is equal to minus 2. We have to find the first term and the common difference. Now let us do the second question. In second question, the first term A is equal to how much? A is equal to negative 5, minus 5. A is equal to minus 5. Now we have to find D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, that is equal to A2. What is A2 here? A2 is negative 1 minus A1. What is A1? Negative 5. So minus 1 minus negative 5. What is minus 1 minus negative 5? So it will be minus 1. This minus and minus we can change by taking the additive inverse of minus 5. We can add this one, so it will be what? Plus 5. So it will be like this: minus 1 plus 5. What is minus 1 plus 5? It will be 4. So D is equal to 4. So we can say A is equal to minus 5, and D is equal to, the common difference is equal to how much? D is equal to 4. So A is equal to minus 5 and D is equal to 4. Now let us do question number 3. We can move to question number 3. So in question number 3 we have 1 by 3. So in question number 3 we have the first term A is equal to, third question we have first term, that is A. A is equal to how much? A is equal to 1 divided by 3, and the common difference, the equation for common difference is A2 minus A1. So that is equal to, what is A2? A2 is equal to 5 divided by 3 minus A1. What is A1? It is 1 divided by 3. So that is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. They have the same denominator. Okay, so same denominator, we can directly subtract that one. 5 minus 1. What is 5 minus 1? 5 minus 1 divided by 3, because the denominators are same, so that will be what? 4 divided by 3. So A is equal to, the first term of this AP is 1 divided by 3, and the common difference of this AP is 4 divided by 3. So first term is 1 by 3 and common difference is 4 by 3. Now let us move to question number 4. Question number 4 we can discuss. See here, the first term of this AP is 0.6. The first term of this AP is 0.6. Now the common difference D is equal to what? It is A2 minus A1. Any A3 minus A2 also you can take, no problem. So anyway, I'm taking here A2 minus A1. That is equal to A2. What is A2? Second term is 1.7. 1.7 minus 0.6. When you subtract 1.7 minus 0.6 will be what? It will be 1.1. So it will be what? 1.1. 1.7. 1.7 minus 0.6 will be 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So it will be 1.1. So the first term of this AP is 0.6, and the common difference of this AP is how much? 1.1. Now let us start question number 4. Read the question. which of the following are APs? Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write three more terms. So which of the following are APs? First we have to decide it. And if they form an AP, find the common difference D and write three more terms. So I will give you one formula. I will give you one important thing, that is, if a comma b comma c are in AP, if a comma b comma c are in AP, then you can say 2b is equal to a plus c. 2 into the middle term will be sum of other two terms. If you take three terms of the AP, if you take three terms of the AP, A, B, C, then double. Two times of the middle term will be sum of other two terms. Okay, 2b is equal to a plus c. So we can check the concept. This concept is same for all. So we can check like this. 2b is equal to a plus c. We can take three terms and we can check like this. Or finding the common difference. Common difference also we can check. Find the common difference of each case. In each case you have to find the common difference. Okay, so let us check it. What is the first question? The first question, we have 2, 4, 8, 16. So let us start with the first question. In first question we have 2, 4, 6, sorry, so 2, 4, 8, 16. So we can check the common difference. D is equal to, what is D? A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? Is equal to 2. Now we can check another D. Next two terms we can take A3 and A2. Then A3 minus A2 is how much? 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to how much? It will be 4. See, this common difference is different. So we can say this does not form an AP. So question number 1, 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 does not form an AP. Does not form an AP. Doesn't form an AP. Doesn't form an AP. Okay. Now let us move to the second question. Second question, what is second question? A is equal to 2. So 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2. So we can check the common difference. So D is equal to, in first case, 5 divided by 2, second term minus first term. So what will be this one? 5 divided by 2 minus, cross multiplying we will get 4 by 2. So 5 by 2 minus 4 by 2 is equal to how much? Is equal to 1 by 2. Or say make the same denominator, we will get 5 by 2 minus 4 by 2, or cross multiplying you will get 5 minus 4 all divided by 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Now next D, A3 minus A2. What is A3? 3. 3 minus 5 divided by 2. 3 minus 5 by 2 is equal to, cross multiplying you will get 6. 3 into 2, 6 minus 5 all divided by 2 is equal to how much? 1 divided by 2. Now next to D we can find A4 minus A3, that is 7 by 2 minus 3 is equal to 7 by 2 minus 3. Cross multiplying we will get 7 minus 3 into 2, 6 divided by 2. So we will get that also 1 by 2. So here see, we got 1 by 2 in all the cases. D we got 1 by 2. So this forms an AP. So this forms an AP, and we have to, if it forms an AP, what we have to do? We have to find the first next three terms also you have to find. See here, if they form an AP, find the common difference. Common difference already we found, it is 1 by 2, and write the three more terms. So we can say we have here A1, A2, A3, A4 we have. So we can write here D is equal to D is equal to how much? So D is equal, I'm writing here, D is equal to 1 by 2. D is equal to 1 by 2. And we have to find three more terms, means A1, A2, A3, A4 we have. So we have to find A5, A6 and A7. We have to find A5, A6 and A7. So what is A5? A5 already we have the fourth term we have here 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is the common difference. It will be 7 plus 1. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So A5 is equal to 4. Now we can find A6. A6 is equal to, with this you have to add 1 by 2. So that is equal to, cross multiplying you will get 8 plus 1 all divided by 2 is equal to 9 divided by 2. Now we can find A7, that is 9 by 2 plus, again the common difference is 1 by 2 we can add, then we will get 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 10 divided by 2. What is 10 by 2? Is 5. So we have the next three terms which are there 4 comma 9 by 2 comma 5. These are the next new terms. Okay children, so let us move to question number 3. In question number 3, we can check is it forms an AP or not. So we have to find the common difference. Question number 3, we have to find the common difference. So third question we are doing. In third question, we can find D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is negative 3.2 minus negative 3.2 minus 1.2. So that is equal to what? Negative 3.2, negative 3.2 minus will change into plus, and minus 1 by 2 will change into plus 1 by plus 1.2, plus 1.2. Okay, so it will change into plus 1.2. So what will be the answer? See, 1.2 and 3.2. Here this is negative and this is positive. So you have to take the difference. What is 3.2 minus 1.2? We have to take the difference. Difference will be how much? 2 minus 2 will be 0, 3 minus 1 will be 2. So the difference is 2. So and the bigger number sign is minus. So the answer is minus 2. Now we can check D for the next question. Next one, that is A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 means minus 5.2 minus 3.2. So here also we can write like this, rewrite like this, minus 5.2 minus will change into addition, subtraction will change into addition, and this minus 3.2 will change into plus 3.2. Here also we can find the difference and bigger number sign, that is 5.2 minus 3.2, because positive and negative you have to add, so take the difference. 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 3 is 2. So we got that also bigger number sign minus, so minus 2. Now next D we can find, that is A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3 means minus 7.2 minus 5.2, that is equal to minus 7.2 minus change into plus, and this will be plus 5.2, that is equal to minus 7.2 plus 5 by 2 is also we will get what? Minus 2. So that also minus 2. So we got the same common difference. So this forms an AP. So we can say minus 1.2 comma minus 3.2 comma minus 5.2 comma minus 7.2 forms an AP. Forms an AP. Forms an AP. So this forms an AP. Now if they form an AP, we have to find the next terms. Next terms means we have to find the common difference. The common difference we have to add. So next this is A1, A2, A3, A4. Now next we have to find A5. So what is A5? A5 will be 0 minus 7.2 minus 7.2 plus we have to add with this one plus what minus 2 we have to add with this one the common difference is minus 2 that minus 2 we have to add with this one then what you will get 7 minus 7.2 minus 2 both are same sign both are negative so you can add these two and put the same sign that is equal to minus 7.2 plus 2 is minus 9.2 so a5 is minus 9.2 now we can find a6 is equal to this minus 9.2 sorry minus 9.2 minus 9.2 plus minus 9.2 plus minus 2 this common difference again you have to add then you will get minus 11.2 now a7 also we have to find a7 will be minus 11.2 plus with this you have to add again the common difference minus 2 so you will get minus 13.2 so next three terms of the AP also we got now let us move to question number 4 now let us move to question number 4 okay so question number 4 what is question number 4 question number 4 we can check is it forms an AP or not so D is equal to second term minus first term. So the second term is minus 6 minus minus 10. See from the second term we have to subtract the first term. So minus 6 minus 10 will be what? Minus 6. This will change into addition and minus 10 will change into plus 10. So minus 6 plus 10 is equal to how much? It will be 4. Now let us check the next common difference. A3 minus A2 that is minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 minus 6 will change into minus 2 plus minus 2 plus 6 minus 2 minus plus 6 will change into minus 2 plus 6 will change into 4 so that is equal to 4 now next D we can find D is equal to third term third term minus second term we have done now next fourth term minus that is 2 minus 2 the fourth term minus third term that will be like this 2 minus will change into plus minus 2 change into plus 2 so it will be 2 plus 2 that also 4 so this forms an AP so you can say minus 10 comma minus 6 comma minus 2 comma 2 forms an AP forms an AP. Now if it is an AP we have to find next three terms that is A5, A6, A7. So A5 is equal to this 2 with this 2 you have to add the common difference. What is the common difference here? Plus 4 is the common difference. So 2 plus 4 is equal to how much? 6. So a6 is equal to we have to find a6 means with a5 you have to add again the common difference so you will get 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 and the last we have to find a7 means with a6 is equal to how much a6 is 10 with a6 you have to add again the common difference 10 plus 4 is equal to how much 14 so 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 so you will get a7 is equal to 14 so the next three terms are 6 comma 10 comma 14 6 comma 10 comma 14 are the next three terms of the AP okay children so let us move to question number 5 in question number 5 we have first term is 3 and 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, like that. So let us check, is it form an AP or not. So the common difference, one by one we can find the common difference. So d is equal to second term minus first term. Second term means 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2 minus the first term is 3. So you will get 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 getting cancelled. Then you will get it is equal to root 2. Now you can find the common difference by taking a3 minus a2. What is a3? It is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus a2. What is a2 here? 3 plus root 2. a2 is 3 plus root 2. That is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So 3 minus 3 cancel. Then you will get 3 minus 3 cancel. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is how much? Root 2 you will get. Now next d we can find, next d is a4 minus a3. a4 minus a3 means 3 plus 3 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2, you have to subtract this one. So you will get 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. When we open this bracket, we will get minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Here also 3 getting cancelled, and 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is how much? Is equal to root 2. So we can say this forms an AP. Now we have to find next three terms. So the next three terms, a5 is equal to, with the fourth term, what is the fourth term here? 3 plus 3 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2. You have to add the common difference. What is the common difference here? The common difference is root 2 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 is how much? 3 plus 4 root 2. We will get 3 plus 4 root 2. Now we can find a6. a6 we can do like this with the fifth term, that is 3 plus 4 root 2. With 3 plus 4 root 2, you can add again the common difference root 2. So you will get 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2. Okay, now we can find a7. So a7 is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2, that is a6 plus root 2. With this again you have to add root 2. So you will get the answer as 3 plus 5 plus 1 is how much? 6 root 2. So a5, a6 and a7 are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay children, so let us move to question number 6. In question number 5, we have first term is 3 and 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, like that. So let us check, is it form an AP or not. So the common difference, one by one we can find the common difference. So d is equal to second term minus first term. Second term means 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2 minus the first term is 3. So you will get 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 getting cancelled. Then you will get it is equal to root 2. Now you can find the common difference by taking a3 minus a2. What is a3? It is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus a2. What is a2 here? 3 plus root 2. a2 is 3 plus root 2. That is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So 3 minus 3 cancel. Then you will get 3 minus 3 cancel. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is how much? Root 2 you will get. Now next d we can find, next d is a4 minus a3. a4 minus a3 means 3 plus 3 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2, you have to subtract this one. So you will get 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. When we open this bracket, we will get minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Here also 3 getting cancelled, and 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is how much? Is equal to root 2. So we can say this forms an AP. Now we have to find next three terms. So the next three terms, A5 is equal to, with the fourth term, what is the fourth term here? 3 plus 3 root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2. You have to add the common difference. What is the common difference here? The common difference is root 2 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 is how much? 3 plus 4 root 2. We will get 3 plus 4 root 2. Now we can find A6. A6 we can do like this with the fifth term, that is 3 plus 4 root 2. With 3 plus 4 root 2, you can add again the common difference root 2. So you will get 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2. Okay, now we can find A7. So A7 is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2, that is A6 plus root 2. With this again you have to add root 2. So you will get the answer as 3 plus 5 plus 1 is how much? 6 root 2. So A5, A6 and A7 are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2 and 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay children, so let us move to question number 6. Okay children, so question number 6, we can check D. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means 0.22. 0.22 minus 0.2 is equal to how much we will get? We can subtract 0.22 minus 0.2. So you will get 2 minus 0 will be 0. 2 minus 2 is, sorry, 2 minus 0 is 2. So you will get here 2, and here 2 minus 2 will be 0. So answer is 0.02. 0.02 will be the answer. Now we can find D for the next two terms, that is A3 minus A2, that is 0.222 minus 0.22. So we can check this one. What is the common difference here? 0.222 minus 0.22. So here we will get 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Again 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer will be how much? 0.002. From here itself we can see these two are not equal. D is not equal. So we can say 0.2 comma 0.22 comma 0.222 comma 0.2222 does not form an AP, does not form an AP, does not form an AP. Okay children, so let us move to the next question, question number 7. Now let us move to question number 7. Okay, now question number 7. In question number 7, we can find D. Question number 7, we can find D. So D is equal to second term minus first term. So the second term is minus 4 minus the first term is 0. So minus 4 minus 0 will be what? Minus 4. Now we can find the common difference again by A3 minus A2. So A3 is minus 8 minus minus 4. A2 is minus 4. So it will be minus 8 plus 4. So when we do this one, we will get minus 8 plus 4 will be what? Minus 4. Now next D we can find by A4 minus A3, that is minus 12 minus 8. That also will change like this, that is minus 12 minus change into plus and plus 8. This additive inverse of this will be plus 8. So that is equal to minus 4. So we got the same common difference here. So we can say 0 comma minus 4 comma minus 8 comma minus 12 forms an AP, forms an AP, forms an AP. Now we can find the next terms, that is we have to find A5 and A6, A5, A6 and A7. Next three terms we want to find. So A5 is equal to, with the fourth term, what is the fourth term here? The fourth term is minus 12 plus, with this you have to add the common difference minus 4. So when you add this minus 4 with minus 12, we will get minus 16. Now we can find A6. A6 is equal to, with minus 16, again you have to add minus 4, then you will get minus 20. Now A7 is equal to, with this minus 20, you can add again minus 4, the common difference, you will get minus 24. You will get minus 24. Okay, so minus 20 minus 4 is equal to minus 24. Now let us check question number 8. Now question number 8. In question number 8, we have question number 8. We have the first term is minus 1 by 2. Next term is minus 1 by 2. The same type already we have discussed. Anyway, we can find the common difference. So D is equal to second minus first, that is minus 1 by 2 minus minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to, this minus 1 by 2 will change into, so minus 1 by 2, subtraction will change into addition, and minus 1 by 2 will change into plus 1 by 2. So while adding this minus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2, we will get 0. Next D also minus 1 by 2. Third term is minus 1 by 2 minus minus 1 by 2 is equal to, again you will get 0. So anyway, this forms an AP, and the next three terms we want to find, that is A5, A6, A7 we can find. So A5 will be minus 1 by 2, because all the terms are equal and the common difference is 0 there. Common difference is 0. 0 is adding to every number. Okay. So A6 also minus 1 by 2 and A7 also what? Minus 1 by 2. So all the terms are equal here. Okay, children. Now let us discuss question number 9. We can find the D. D is equal to how much? Second term minus first term, that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now again find D. D is equal to third term, that is 9 minus second term, that is 3. 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. So we are getting different common difference. So we can say this 1 comma 3 comma 9 comma 27 does not form an AP. Thus does not form AP. Doesn't form AP. Doesn't form AP. Doesn't form an AP. Now let us move to next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 we can check. We have the first term is A. So the common difference will be A2 minus A1, that is 2A minus A. What is 2A minus A? It is A. Now again we can find the common difference D, that is 3A minus 2A, that also A. Now next again we can find D, that is the fourth term minus the third term, that is 4A minus 3A. What is 4A minus 3A? 4A minus 3A is equal to A. So we got the same common difference for all the one. So we can find A5. This forms an AP. So we can find A5. So A5 is equal to how much? A5 is equal to this, with this 4A. With this 4A, fourth term, you have to add the common difference A. You will get 4A plus A is 5A. Now similarly, you can find A6. So A6 is equal to 5A plus A is equal to how much? Equal to 6A. Again, you can find A7. So A7 is equal to 6A plus A is equal to how much? 7A. So these are the next three terms of this AP. Now let us discuss question number 11. Now in question number 11, we can see first term is a. In question number 11, we can see the first term is a. So the common difference will be a2 minus a1 will be a square minus a. A square minus a is, we can write like this. We can take a common, then we will be have a minus 1, a into a minus 1. Now again we can find the common difference by taking third term and second term. So the third term minus the second term. So a raised to 3 minus a square, that is equal to, from a cube and a square you can take a square common. So a square into a minus 1. Now you can see these two are not equal. These common difference are different. So you can say this not does not form an AP. A comma a square comma a cube comma a raised to 4 does not form an AP. 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 Okay, now let us move to question number 12. In question number 12, we have root 2 comma root 8 comma root 18 comma root 32. Root root 2 comma root 8 comma root 18 comma root 32. So this root 2 and root 8 comma root 18 comma root 32 etc. we have to change into in the form of root 2. So how can we change that in the form of root 2? So let us change it. Root 2. What is 8 root 8? Root 8 we can change like this. Root 8 is equal to root 8 we can prime factorize. Then you will get, you can prime factorize this 8 by 2. You will get here 4. Again by 2 you will get 2. Again by 2 divide by 2 you will get 1. So you can write here root 8 is equal to root 8 you can write as 2 root 2. 2 root 2 because these two are having pair, so one time we can write, and these two doesn't have pair, so we can write in the root, so 2 root 2. Similarly we can write root 18 also. So root 18 will be what? Root 18 you can change like this. 18 you can prime factorize by 2. You will get 9. 9 you can divide by 3, you will get 3. Again divided by 3 you will get 1. So two threes are there. So root 18 will be what? Root 18 will be 3 root 2. 3 root 2. Okay, so this root 2 comma root 8 comma root 18 comma root 32 we can change like this. Root 2 comma root 8 we can change into 2 root 2, and root 18 you can change into 3 root 2, and root 32 you can change into 4 root 2. Okay, now we can find D, common difference. So D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 2 root 2 minus root 2. What is 2 root 2 minus root 2? It is root 2. Now again D we can find by taking third and second term. So the third term is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is how much? That also root 2. Now the next D is A4 minus, what is A4? It is 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is equal to how much? It is root 2. So D is equal to root 2. D is root 2 for all the cases. Now we can find the next three terms, that is A5, A6 and A7 we can find. So A5 will be, A6 will be, A7 will be. So A5 will be what? See A5, what you got? A4. A4 is equal to this one 4 root 2. So 4 root 2, 4 root 2 plus, again the common difference, you have to root 2 you have to add, you will get 5 root 2. 5 root 2 will be how much? 5 root 2 will be 25 into 2, that is root 50. And next number, this 5 root 2, with 5 root 2 again you have to add root 2, so you will get 6 root 2. So 6 root 2 means 6 square 36. 36 into 2 will be root 72. Now 6 root 2 plus 6 root 2 plus root 2 will be how much? it will be 6 plus 1 7 root 2, and this 7 root 2 will be 7 square 49 into it is root 98. So the next three numbers will be root 50, root 72 and root 98. These are the next three terms of this AP. Now let us move to the next question. Now question number 13. In question number 13 we can find common difference. D is equal to second term. What is second term? Root 6 minus root 3. Root 6 minus root 3 is an irrational number, so we can keep like that. Now next common difference will be root 9 minus root 6, that is equal to 3 minus root 9 is 3, 3 minus root 6. See, both are not equal. From here itself we can understand both are not equal, so this does not form an AP. This does not form an AP. Now let us check question number 14. Now let us check question number 14. In 14, 1 square 3 square, so we can check common difference. D is equal to, see, this was question number 13. Question number 13. Now question number 14. D is equal to second term. What is second term? 3 square minus 1 square is equal to 3 square is 9 minus 1. What is 9 minus 1? It is 8. Now again we can find the common difference by taking 5 square minus 3 squared. What is 5 square? 25 minus 9. What is 25 minus 9? It is 16. See, the common difference is different. So that also does not form an AP. Question number 14 also does not form an AP. Now let us check question number 15. 15. In 15, we can check common difference. D is equal to second term, that is 5 square minus the first term is 1 square. 5 square how much? What is 5 square? It is 25 minus 1 square. 1 square is 1 is equal to how much? 24. Now the next D we can find 7 square minus third term minus second term 5 square, that is equal to 49 minus 5 square is 25, that is equal to 24. Now next common difference, D is equal to 73 minus 7 square, that is equal to 73 minus 49. 73 minus 49 is how much? That is equal to 24. Okay, so this common difference, see, same common difference we got. So next terms we can write f5 is equal to what? f5 is equal to 73 plus the common difference 24 is equal to how much? It will be 97. And a6 is equal to this, with this 97 you have to add 24 is equal to how much? 97 plus 24. 97 plus 24 will be 121. 121. So A7 will be what? 121 plus 24 is equal to how much? 145. 145. So we will get 145, 121, 97. These are the next three terms of this AP. So question exercise 5.1 is over. Thank you. Thank you, children.